back to Nick Square Diesel. Today's project, we're working on my third gen here. I've had this truck for probably 4 or 5 months now. I bought it from Michigan. Love this truck. Absolutely love it. I really don't want to get rid of it. In hopes of me to never sell it, I'm going to put a 4th gen leather interior in it that we just went and picked up today. We drove 2.5 hours to pick all this up. Came with the full center console, which is really nice, but I'm a little worried that it's not going to work with this truck. I have the 4x4 shifter on the floor there, so I'm a little worried that it's probably going to interfere with that. Here's a comparison of the factory 3rd gen seat compared to the factory 4th gen leather seats. Same exact bracket, so that's pretty nice. I just popped this one out just to see what kind of modifying I'm going to have to do, but I think we're going to be good. The passenger and the driver's seat, the guy told me they should bolt right in. I'm probably going to have to do some pinning on the power to figure out, because the driver's seat is electric, the passenger seat's not. That's exactly how this truck is set up. The driver's seat has power, the passenger doesn't, so that ain't a big deal. The only bad thing, I'm sure you guys can see that, I did get these pretty cheap because of that, and I'm missing the cup holders. And he gave me the chrome trim, but it's not the best shape. Yeah, it's kind of broke. So that's kind of unfortunate. Let's go ahead and hop in the cab here and see how my cameraman Matthew's doing.
Hello.
How's it going, buddy?
Oh, this thing's about as pain as a pain can get.
Oh yeah, look at that. He is all the way back. It looks like it's coming off though.
Yeah, slowly but surely. Man, this is awkward.
Yeah, you're all leaned over it.
Yeah,
On my rusty rockers.
Big cameraman doesn't like this.
You guys are curious. I do have a sub in this truck. I got dual 12s Scar. I love this. They bump very well. I'm gonna help him get this guy off real quick, and then I think what we'll do is we'll get the seats set in here, and or maybe actually we'll just compare the factory one to this one right here, because he mentioned there's a little tab you got to cut off, so we'll compare that and see what we got. Skip all this boring stuff, and we'll get to that part.
Yeah.
Well, went ahead and swept that out, got it all nice and cleaned up. Still a little dirty. If I really want to clean it up, I'll shampoo it, but it's under the seat. I'm not really too concerned, but I mean, it's better than what it was.
A lot better than what it was.
So just judging by how they look, I mean, the brackets are the exact same. That's the exact same. There's nothing on the back that we got to worry about hitting that he mentioned. Those are just hooks that kind of hook onto the back part of the cab. This is a little different style hook than this one, but it should work just fine. I think that is a green light for let's go ahead and throw these in and let's see how they look. Get to work. Get to work.
Oh, okay.
Get to work. Here is what it looks like with the rear seats in. We had to do a little bit of modifying on one of the hanger brackets back here. That's what the guy was talking about, that it was hanging up and it would stick out a little further. So we just trimmed it off. I don't ever plan on taking these out. They still fold up nice. I still got my subs underneath, no problem. Worked out pretty good.
I would say so.
Shout out to cameraman for all the help. These turned out really good. Went ahead and ripped the front seats out. They were pretty easy. 2 bolts in front, 2 bolts in rear. Front side is a little smaller than the rear. The center console, you have to lift the whole seat up, unbolt it from the middle, and then everything will come out, and then you got your electrical connector for the seatbelt harness. Pretty easy.
Yeah, pretty easy.
We got our new seats sitting in the truck. Let's go look at that. Okay. They look pretty dang good. You got your red and your black. Black's your ground, red's your power. I sat in this and had him hold the power to it while I moved it to where I want it for now. Will you quit moving? It's not bolted in yet. It's like 11 o'clock. I will do that some other time. I'll have to pull the brackets off those seats over there and take them and transfer them to here. Take a moment to appreciate the side support that these seats have. They are very comfortable seats to be in, honestly. I can't wait to go sling this thing. No sway support. I mean, you got this little bitty hump, and trust me, when you're swinging it, it's not good. I'm going to show you guys the passenger side as well.
I'll go to the driver's. Okay.
Yeah, it looks really good. I'm really happy with this. I think it turned out really good. We had to drive 5 hours today to get all this. It was well worth it.
Very well worth it.
These seats are 17 inches long, and the factory 3rd gens are how much?
14.
If you kind of noticed here, You don't have much leg room, so I still got to take these out, trim the bracket to where the third gen is. Worry about that another time. Someone set something on here, but I'm going to try and find a way to take that out. She don't look too bad. The paint, I did the bed sides. The bed I got faded, and then that's the new paint that matches. It's just a mess. These are 4th gen Laramie wheels I got. Pretty good price on them. There's a dent in the fender I got to fix. I think we're going to go ahead and end our video on that note. So let me know if you guys liked it. I think next video we're going to wire up my mirror lights, put cab lights on, do a bunch of body work, paint match door handles, the mirrors, rear bumper. I'm just going to paint match the whole truck. So I think it'll look pretty good. What do you got to say, cameraman, before we sign off?
Well, let's see. I'm going to pull my little microphone here. I would say I 100% recommend doing this to your 3rd gen. It would look pretty sweet. So in that case, we will let you fellers get back to watching YouTube or whatever you guys want to watch. Have a good one.
Yep. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.